Alright, we're here in Plainview and we've been getting these snow showers. If you look on my jacket, you will see we get snow showers today. So, you see that little bit of snow that's going on there? You can't see it in the air, but they go to ShopRite. But take a look. We got snow falling here. You see the little, very light, but I figured I'd show that to you. I'll show you the sky here in a minute here. Oh yeah, we have snow showers today. That was not predicted at all. It's like a little bit of rain, a little bit of snow in there, but interesting. A little frozen precipitation in April.